Cuneta.
Welcome to the show. Welcome, sir.
Sharon, on behalf of the Greater Manila Theatres Association, we would like to present to you this testimonial which says, the Greater Manila Theatres Association presents this testimonial to Miss Sharon Cuneta, megastar and actress ng Pareha. In grateful acknowledgement of the consistently strong box office performance of the motion pictures she starred in during the last 5 years. Due, without doubt, to the consummate artistry and steadfast professionalism. Given this 11th day of June 1989 at Metro Manila, Philippines, signed by our President, Mr. Marcos B. Rosas Sr., and by myself as Vice President of the Greater Manila Theatre Association.
Thank you very, very much, Mr. Amate. Thank you very much. Oh, this is from the Greater Manila Theatres Association. Maraming salamat po. And I'd like to say thank you again, especially for this year's films, Tatlong Mukha ng Pag-ibig, and of course, kahit wala ka na, maraming salamat po. Asahan niyo po, sisikapin ko pong bigyan pa ho kayo ng kaligayahan sa pamamagitan ho ng mga pelikula ko at syempre ng The Sharon Cuneta Show. Maraming salamat po and thank you very much, Mr. Amante. My goodness! Now, Mr. Amante, this is Mr. Rossellino and we'd like to welcome him to the show, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rossellino.
Thank you, and good evening.
Good evening, Tito Ross.
I'm surprised.
Why, Tito Ross?
Iba ang aura mo ngayon. If I must say, you bubble and sparkle like pink champagne.
Oh my goodness, thank
And is there any reason why you are like
for my
that?
bubbling and sparkling?
Yes.
No, I think it's all the blessings that God has been showering me with, like the success of Kahit Wala Ka Na, and the success of the show, and parang everything na nagpahinga sandali, everything is coming my way once again, and I'm very, very grateful to Him. At sa lahat syempre ng nandito ngayon, at sa lahat ng tumatangkilik po sa lahat ng ginagawa ko.
You deserve that.
Thank you,
richly
Tito Ros.
deserve everything that comes to you.
Thank you very much, Tito.
For being a nice lady.
Naku, thank you, Tito.
Anyway.
And of course, because of my daughter also, and my parents, my family. the rest
That's
of-
it. Now,